I'm Doyle Bloss with HydraMaster, and we're excited to announce that the PEX500 is back home again. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the features and benefits of this fantastic machine. It's the most mobile and maneuverable portable on the market. It was built in a dolly design, so it's higher and thinner, which makes it so much easier to load and unload out of the truck or to get up and down stairs. It has roller wheels so that when you're loading it in the truck, it slides right in. The handles are ergonomically designed, which allow you to maneuver it around quite easily through the facility. This helps reduce injuries and makes it usable by one person. But perhaps best of all is the wand caddy. The machine is completely self-contained in the fact that you can wrap your vacuum hoses around it, attach your wand, your electrical cords are there, and you're ready to run through the facility as fast as you can. The PEX provides you with all the power and performance you need, and it's ideal for noise-sensitive environments. It comes with a dual 3-stage vacuum and an industry-exclusive 2,000 watt heater, the biggest on the market, to provide you up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit on demand at the wand. You can pair it with the RX20 portable version, which makes it an ideal commercial cleaning machine for speed and for restorative deep cleaning. It has dual circuit indicator lights, so it tells you when you have it plugged into the same circuit. That helps you avoid blowing breakers. Best of all, because on this machine, it only demands 15 amps on both circuits, you don't have to find a 20 amp circuit to plug into. Did I mention it's quiet? You bet it is. Special noise dampening system makes it one of the quietest high-performance portable extractors on the market, which makes it ideal for hospitals, nursing homes, and other noise-sensitive environments. The PEX500 is easy to use and, just as importantly, easy to maintain. It comes with very intuitive controls, so it's very easy to train new technicians on how to operate. It has an easy-to-access fill port, so you can easily put new fresh water into it. The recovery tank has a sloped design. This makes it easier for wastewater disposal and, just as importantly, cleaning out the recovery tank. The special design of the recovery tank also reduces foaming. It has 2 heat settings on the control board, one for carpet, one for upholstery, so you don't have to adjust it all the time. On the back, it has a special pressure relief valve. This pressure relief valve allows you to switch from one tool to another on the job site without having to relieve solution pressure. Any of you who've ever been squirted in the face or destroyed a QD trying to get it loose, that's what this is all about. So you can switch between your carpet wand, your upholstery tool, and your rotary extraction tool like the RX20. And best of all, when it comes to maintaining the unit, it comes in an easy opening clamshell design, which allows you to easily access all of the components. The PEX500 comes elegantly simplistic with one configuration. You know, some portables, you have choices of PSI and how the vacuums go in. We've done the homework for you. We've configured the PEX500 to be the best carpet cleaning portable machine on the market that you can get. Finally, the PEX500 is verified and certified. The unit is ETL certified, which means it complies with electrical safety standards. Best of all, the PEX comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can count on the HydraMaster hassle-free ownership experience. And finally, the PEX comes in both 110 and 220 volt versions. HydraMaster PEX500 is available from your local HydraMaster distributor. For more information, you can visit our website at www.hydramaster.com. Thanks for listening, and let's go make some money.